Se egetie kiakene gichigosorio mugavana wa Kaonti ya Kisii nigo arure ekekuru egetindi gochia ase ensemo area Ogosangereria Ebango na kubabori abane kibna kubika bare Emeroberio emekanu una inchire ya moyo ticha eming'anyi yatebekani yanyereko bakeko bachoka ase ensemo y'Ebango ime Kaonti ya Kisii koreng'ana amono mugavana wa Kaonti ya Kisii nigo anyereko bagakuboria obotenenerio obu banyako bakoeneke buna ngobeka bare Emeroberio emekenu na ngo ase ekambani emo yanyako yanyereko bagekoretwa ime Kaonti ya Kisii igira chikunyako bakeokonya gusangeria Ebango una inchire ya moyo Ogoting'Ia Emeroberio ye Kaonti nabo igokonyora chibesa chigwikirania Emeroberio agochia asumana inchi o kawaida boigo abarai banyako bagwikira asensemeyo ibanyako bakwerera ibintu byeire Ebango yanyereko bakeko gose gusangiria ku Ebango kwabeire umuchando omonene asikiri bateaguna no gota ichoria amabaga yabari bakurita na boigo bari bakonyako bakuru emirimo kubwatekana amono bogotu na boigo abandi gusiria amagimabo enengo ikobaira gochia asiga asikira rituko egentu gekwirira banyako bagotumeka enengo eri bakonyako bagusangiria asekonde yatebekana mnanigo eri mamincha amoneri chiko kubwatekana mnanigo barikire amone serikali ya Kaonti ya Kisii boigo na ba MC banyako bakwana ase musangirikano yo banyako bakwera buna Emeroberio emekanu ne bwante kunyara ko bagikubekwa iye kweneke buna Ebango ne kunyako bagigusangiru anemono ase banyako bakobeka ekambi ase chichiro chirichire ase nsemo y'impaka ase batabuna abahonchoria nigo bakora omuntu kurusia Ebango awika onyako abantu abang'anya guchi ase Kaonti ng'ao nakero omochogi anyariko bagakoenda onyariko bagakwirana gocha ase nsemo yayo boncheria igento gikwira ni esecte yo maega.
We cannot pay our salary. Without revenue, we cannot pay our contractors. Without must be able to tell us how much is coming from lands. Our down clerks and treasurers wanted to come and work because there was enough revenue.
Jengia sheets na wakati hata pesa atukusanya ticket ile sika it has not been paid for. Waachile mpaka miriri kubeke engo yoro and we don't get anybody okofonya usangiritibes. Then my people they are here. They are not going to be on behalf of you guys. You must think on my behalf. And that is the position that we are taking. The bigger problem we are addressing today here is of that revenue. I call the service board, public service board, because they are your employees. Need money to boss job. And we want to do this one differently. County,
the weight comes from buildings, and this is where our colleagues from Border will help us. Whenever you see a building coming up, we are going to install a toll-free number. You call us that a building is being built at Emeroberio, we go there, and if we find that it has not been built, then there are always fines which are attached to it. My officers, as much as possible, we are now going cashless. In the next 2 weeks, we are not going to interact with any cash, and any amount paid will go directly to the bank. Up to that point, I will give a latitude to the new revenue collectors. I have already discussed with them. The first responsibility is to do mapping. I gave them a responsibility that we must, all of us go around, we map our system, we map our revenue areas. That has not been done, but it's because we wanted a new person who has got more vigor and energy to do it. Your Excellency, I agree that we have a challenge of staffing through natural attrition, through retirement, through death.
Sugisogi anchira na ngadesidi yo sugisogi ibere Maasai na Kisii. I'm telling you, Maasai wako sangereria za kinyinge more than us. Why? Barabuba kwa te bari ya Emeroberio chingeni chikuru Masai kiosi pi Ogosangereria esesi ndai nyagotekio. Ndukia swaliyoka. Mungu ndo one. So at least we also need to put some services chile chiburu kwelinde abantu baitwa tora mo ebukurwa Ebango. Inta ikomenda naki no mulisiwe kanisanda naende. Na siwa lishiko teneliwe ni ibone ndo number 1.